Hello, my darlings. We are on our Big Bang unit. We've already talked about what we will be doing with this unit, but now we're going to talk about the individual material that you'll be learning. So let's start by talking about cosmology. Cosmology is the study of the universe as a whole. So we're no longer talking about individual stars or individual galaxies or individual planets. We're moving on to talking about everything at one time. Now remember that everything is not a whole lot. We don't understand more than 5% of the universe. We have all that dark energy and dark matter out there. But we will be discussing in detail what we do know. So we'll look at evidence for the Big Bang, like this cosmic background radiation. We'll look at redshift, which is another good piece of evidence for the Big Bang. We'll talk about how we got all of these elements from just hydrogen. All of these elements came from hydrogen alone. And we'll talk about, like I said, the universe as a whole. This particular picture, just a little sliver of sky, about 1 arc second. Hopefully you remember what that is. And that covers, this one has 10,000 galaxies in it. So don't try counting each one. You have a lot of other things to do. But as you can see, the universe is full of a lot of stuff. So the individual things that we are going to be studying are talking about how matter emerged to begin with. We'll talk about what the universe looked like right after it was born. We'll talk about different models of the universe or origination. So not just the Big Bang, but there's other theories out there. We'll talk about the age of the universe and how we determine that and what are the uncertainties with that. We'll talk about different observations that give us the composition of the universe. And finally, we'll talk about what's going to happen in the end. Are we going to expand forever? Are we going to collapse in on ourselves? Are we going to become another universe? We'll talk about all that kind of stuff too. So hopefully you'll enjoy yourselves with this unit. Lots of discussion, lots of fun things to do, and really enjoy yourself. Remember, I'm here if you need me.